guys, good afternoon po. It's Saturday, September 8, 2023. This is Pinay Mami Vlog. I'm back. Ang tagal-tagal ko nang hindi nakapag-vlog. I'm just so busy. I need to make some money para sa ekonomiya ng Pilipinas at ng aming farm. Right now, I'm with my friend, guys. Before anything else, I just want to say, please don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Pasensya na kayo. I apologize, talagang hindi ko naharap ang mag-vlog ngayon kasi hindi ako nakakaalis. I cannot go anywhere. I'm so busy right now. And I'm with my friend. We're going to another friend who own a business. This is Vanessa, actually. We're going to a friend who's going to open a business, and it's a grand opening today. And his business is a food truck, Filipino food truck. There's no many Filipino food truck here in this area. So he's gonna have a grand opening. We're gonna show you their food truck, and maybe if I have a chance that I can talk to the owner.
Grocery store too at the same time.
I already vlogged their grocery stores before. It's in my YouTube channel, guys. It's Nick Sari Sari Store. This one is a new one. It's not new, but something new. It's a food truck. So their store is in Graycroft, Tucson, Arizona. Nick Sari Sari Store. What is the name of their food truck?
Still the same.
It's
Pinoy Sari-Sari food truck.
Oh, it's a Pinoy Sari-Sari food truck.
Wait, restaurant?
No, restaurant is different. Yung food truck ang ating pinag-uusapan ngayon.
I think they're gonna sell into food. So it's a little mini restaurant. Kinda. I think so.
So ayun yung ayun yung anak niya. And this is the mommy. And I'm the adopted mommy.
Yes.
Okay? So, kumusta na po kayo? Pasensya na kayo, talaga pong kailangan natin kumayod dito sa abroad. Pag hindi tayo kumayod, mapapalayas po tayo sa bahay. Naku, ang hirap po dito sa Amerika. Kailangan makumayod tayo ng kumayod. Kailangan, para maano ekonomiya ng Pilipinas. Madala natin ang pera sa Pilipinas. Hindi po, kasi po gusto ko na akong bumalik sa Pilipinas in the future. Pero gusto ko lang ng simpleng buhay, kaya lang we need to save some money para naman po maayos namin yung farm. So we're on our way right now to the east side,
I think, yeah.
East side of what's this? Tucson, Arizona. And sana po huwag kayo magsasawa, ha. Please subscribe po at saka like and share. Share nyo po sa mga friends niyo yung channel ko, Pinay Mami Vlog. Pagka gusto nyo hanapin sa YouTube, Pinay lang, makikita nyo na. Pinay na lang i-type nyo, tapos makikita nyo Pinay Mami Vlog. Kaya, sige po, mamaya pakikita ko sa inyo yung kanilang new business. Bali, new to kasi food truck. Meron na ho silang store with restaurant. Maliit na restaurant. Nandun sa Graycroft, Tucson, Arizona. Okay po? Say hi! Siya ho lagi kong kasama. Isa yan sa lagi kong kasama dito sa Amerika. Matagal ko na po siyang kilala. Vanessa. Partner in crime daw po. Hindi po. Mababait po kami rito.
Good girl po kami. Good
Okay
man.
po. Puro kami good dito. Ang bad lang yung Ayan po. So, okay. That's all for now. Just wait for when we get there, we're gonna show you the place, okay? Thank you. Bye. Guys, we're here now in Graycroft, Tucson, Arizona. Sa harap ng Nick Sari Sari Store. Ngayon, ang bibisitahin po natin, we're gonna visit his food truck. This is the grand opening today, okay? Tingnan nyo, pakikita ko sa inyo. Kailangan po munang magmisa bago magsimula. Kung ano mang celebration meron sila, kailangan pa kung muna. Okay? See, makinig po tayo. Tingnan natin, panoorin na natin sila, okay?
We own some ways to counter that. That's why we offer this new venture of business. And of course, my goal is to...
So the first thing that I want to share is success in life is purely God's grace.
Hintay po kami dito ng fishball. Ayan po. Ito. Tingnan nyo kanilang tindahan. Kanilang food truck. Ayan. Okay, this is fishball bola bola, 3 for $5 at Nick's food truck. Yan ang halo-halo nila, oh. Dito kay Nick. Ayan, oh. Oh, masarap ba ang halo-halo ng Nick's Sari-Sari Store?
Yes, it is. Oh, yummy.
Oh, pati
This is a mango flavor. Sometimes it's purple, it's ube, but right now it's a mango flavor.
Mango flavor. Ayan, oh.
Mango or queso. So rich.
Ganda, ha? Ako naman ito, sa gugulaman. Sago-sago.
Nasa kasi, ay.
Ayan, oh.
Jalo-jalo.
Ayan. We're here. I'm gonna ask one of their customer about the store, okay? Hello po.
Hello.
Customer po kayo rito? Matagal na?
Matagal na po.
Ano ang pangalan nyo?
Since they open.
Oh, talaga po? Ano pong pangalan nyo kung okay? Angelita. Ah, okay. Anong nagustuhan nyo dito sa tindahan ni Nick?
First of all, si Nick, talagang may karisma yan.
Oh,
Oo. Mabait ng tao.
okay.
Yan ang nagustuhan ko. Kaya pa naman ako pupunta dito.
Matagal na kayong customer niya, ha?
Oo.
Parang pamilya niya na kayo, ha?
Sa family.
That's good. Pero ano ang masasabi nyo sa mga followers ko tungkol dito sa lugar na ito?
Sa mga followers?
Oo. Sa channel ko, anong masasabi nyo tungkol sa kanyang mga pagkain, tungkol sa serbisyo na naibinibigay nila sa customer?
Oh, always all the time na pupunta ako nito, they have good customer service.
Opo.
Oo, sa kanila, that's why I come back.
Ano ang
Gusto ko din i-support ko ng Pilipino store.
ano ang Filipino food na paborito niya na binibili nyo sa kanila?
Oh, gusto ko yung adobo nila.
Ah, adobo. Ano, chicken adobo or pork? Oh, chicken adobo, guys. Oh, ganun po ba? O ano may re-recommend nyo naman po itong tindahan niya, itong kanyang food truck? O sige po, imbitahan niyo yung mga followers ko sa channel ko. Sabihin niyo sa kanila kung pumunta sila rito.
Sige, makita po kayo dito sa Sari-Sari Store at saka itong bagong lang store.
Food.
Makita kayo dito. Ito po, ang dami yung mga binibenta. Ito po yung mga binibenta niya. This one, I just ordered.
Ano ho yung binili nyo? Ano yung binili nyo?
Ito yung lumpia.
Ah, lumpia po.
Oh.
Tapos ito po, ano po? Kayo si Oso na eh, no?
Yung ampalaya at saka yung chicken adobo.
Ah, chicken adobo na naman. O, sige ho. Ay, so sige ho. Maraming salamat po sa pagpapaunlad sa akin, okay? Sa susunod po uli, okay? Salamat po. Nandito na po ako kay Nick Sari-Sari Store. Ito po ang kanyang food truck na bago. Ano, binili niya po ngayon. So ngayon, gusto ko pong interviewin at ipakilala sa inyo ang may-ari. At talagang may-ari po siya. Last time I was here, he was not here. I was talking to one of his employees. Ito po si Nick. Siya po ang may-ari. Hi Nick!
Hello!
Good afternoon po.
Magandang good afternoon na rin.
Ay, salamat sa pagpapaunlak sa interview ko ngayon. Dahil po ako, masyadong busy-busy tong taong ito. Hindi ko siya mahuli. Meron lang ako mga question na gustong malaman sa kanya para maliwanagan nyo na rin ho kung ano pang meron sila rito sa kanilang tindahan, sa kanilang business, okay? So, ang itatanong ko lang sa iyo, anong desisyon at anong dahilan kung bakit mong binuksan? May tindahan ka na, may restaurant ka na, right? You got a restaurant, you own a restaurant, you own a groceries. Now we open a food truck business, guys. So, anong dahilan? Bakit mo nagsipa naman magbukas ng food truck?
I think I have 3 reasons. No? Number 1 is because of the public demand. They need authentic Filipino food. And then number 2, of course, I take the advantage that I have already the restaurant,
Okay.
and easy for us to become, we have the food truck because may commissary na.
Mhm.
And then, number 3, because of, we can employ more people.
Okay. So, ang bait, ano?
Yep.
Meron pa akong isang question also. What is the challenges that you have faced before you open this food truck? Anong mga challenges mo?
Wow. Speak of challenges, marami.
Marami.
Sometimes, it's easy to put in your mind na parang kaya mo.
Mhm.
But in the actual, doon mo makikita yung problema ng dumarating.
Okay.
Especially to process the permit of the Department of Health, the Fire Department, and then there's a lot of process. But the good thing is you learn how to be developing your attitude, how to handle it. Yun ang mga it's a learning process. At the same time, how you handle kung may mga problemang darating.
Okay. So, ang dami problema. Gaano katagal bago yun ang ayos ng pagpaprocess ng mga requirements ng mga dito? Parang bago niyo siya mabuksan. Inabot nyo kayo ng gaano katagal? How
It's,
long?
when I bought this trailer, the food truck, it's around like 2 months.
Okay.
Yeah. And then you need to comply the Department of Health and also the Fire Department
Okay.
in order you have the permit to operate.
Okay. Ano ang specialty na may offer nyo sa inyong mga customers? Once na ginamit nyo na itong Filipino food truck na ito, anong mga specialty na masarap na may pagmamalaki natin Filipino?
Number 1, ang specialty natin ay palangiti tayo, palalawa tayo. Number 2, of course, yung pagkain natin dito, yung number 1 is fishball. Wala pa dito sa Tucson, but if you try our fishball, interviewin mo maya yung mga customer natin, masarap daw. Number 2 is pancit.
Fishball. Ano sa Tagalog ng fishball?
Fishball.
Okay. Hindi ko maisip eh kung ano sa Tagalog.
Sa Tagalog yung fishball, mamaya na kita sasabihan, okay? Tapos yung, of course, mayroon tayong barbecue skewers, mayroon tayong adobo, mayroon tayong, especially yung palaging binibili yung lumpia or egg roll. And then, maybe someday we can serve also halo-halo.
Yes.
If you want halo-halo, Nick Sari-Sari store is always available. But also, of course, we plan also to sell halo-halo here. And of course, we have the lechon kawali.
Oy,
Yeah, lechon kawali. Yeah.
Mhm.
There's a lot, but we have only like 4 or 5 item. We put this in the food trailer.
So, ang pinaka-target market ninyo talaga, ano? Filipino?
Of course, dahil alam ng Pilipino ang food, but if the community here,
Mhm.
Mexican, American, if they try our food, they can say that, wow,
Oh.
wow, something like that. And then, of course, that's the experience that we are keep growing.
Okay, that's good. So, in the future, what is your planning to do? Are you gonna expand more? Maybe you're gonna buy another more food truck or expand your business? How are you gonna expand your business if you're planning to expand?
Just interview me after 3 months.
Oh, 3 months?
Yeah, 3 months.
Wow.
Just interview me after 3 months, then we will see what will happen.
Okay. So, what can you advise to the people who wants to start a business? Ano may advice nyo sa kanila?
That's a good one. Number
Yeah.
1 is be willing to face in every consequence that you have this because the tendency of our emotion it's hard, but if you want to start this business, it's very good, but there's always what do you call this, may pagsubok talaga. There is and then if you want that, just make a plan, and then if you have the finances to support, then just try to evaluate, and then step 1.
Okay. So, if they wanna come here in your area, in your store, saan nila kayo makukontak? Nag-o-offer din ba kayo ng catering?
So far, I believe the catering services is maybe next week, this month, okay, because of there's a different kind of permit. That everything we do is always in a proper permitted.
Okay, so yun lang mo ang aking itatanong sa inyo. At kung meron pa kayong gustong itanong, just leave a comment below the screen, guys. And if you wanna contact him, ano kung phone number ninyo?
My phone number is not my wife phone. 520-406-3593, and the store number is 520-495-0708.
Ano pong address ninyo?
2001 South Craycroft Road, Tucson, Arizona 85711.
And what is your business hours?
My business hours is 8 to 6 Monday to Saturday, and Sunday we are closed.
Close kayo, kuya, ah?
Yes, every Sunday.
Okay.
If you want to be open, just I give you the key. Yeah, you can open the store.
Thank you, kuya. Thank you, kuya.
Okay.
So, kuya, salamat ng marami. At, ibig sabihin, maraming salamat ako lang ninyo sa interview ko ngayon. Matagal ko na kayong hinihintay ng mga interview.
Oh,
Okay, salamat
Thank
po.
you.
Guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to my channel. Nandito po si Kuya. Huwag niyong kalilimutan, Nick Sari-Sari Store and Nick Sari-Sari Food Truck. Okay? Saan niyo pala ang target nito? Saan niyo dadalhin siya?
well, as of now, marami na nag-i-invite, but
Okay.
I want to, well, this is the day, the first day of operation. I want to familiar everything before I go out.
Oh, okay, okay. So, wala pang restriction na location para kung saan niya dadalhin itong food truck. For sure, nandito lang sa harapan ng kanyang tindahan. Okay? Ayun lang po. Maraming salamat po. Bye!
Bye!